Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. My name is Rebecca. Welcome. Today we're here to check out what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We are located in the DFW area. We go to several different stores throughout the week, take lots of pictures, and combine all those pictures into one video for y'all and organize them by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with the apparel and accessories. They have their baseball caps back in. They have some solid colors. There's the black. They also have pink. Very soft pastel pink. They have red and blue. So then they had a few patterns. I think these were left over from like the 4th of July. They have the American flag with the red brim, the blue and white stars, and then this one here with the fireworks. Then for the arts and crafts this week, we have a restock of these new mixed bead vials that they're selling for just $1.25. They are ringing up $1.25. You can see all the different colors available. There's the yellow, purple, red, and blue. It's a variety of beads in the packet. They also have the green and white. Then they had these large rolls of the burlap with the Americana theme. They have the red and blue stars. They have some with just all blue stars on it. And then they have some with the red, white, and blue stripes at the diagonal. This is the like buffalo plaid kind of checkered, and some solids. They had the solid blue and the solid red. So there's quite a few different rolls of the burlap. It's kind of out late, but it's nice to see it there. You could always buy it and save it. Then they had these DIY felt sewing kits, which were new. You can make the donut. It has everything you need to create the craft. You get the clasp and everything. You have the alpaca. This cute little dinosaur, also the astronaut, and a dolphin. One of my favorites was this one. They have a seahorse. You don't see that very often. Up next, we have this really pretty ribbon in all these different shades of green. Some of them have the natural kind of burlap look on the edges. Some of them are wired, some of them are not. Usually the wider ones have the wires in the edges. Then for the children, baby, and toddler section, we have some readers like the Elephant Whisperer. Has lots of really bright, vibrant pages. A lot of these books will teach a lesson of some sort. We also have this one called The Star and Positively Purple. There's a view of this one in the inside of the book. And then I saw they changed their coloring book prices to $1.50 each. They also have the paint with water books. Those will also be $1.50. They had like Sea Life, there's kittens, they have the safari animals, lots of different paint with water books that are available. And they had more of their dot to dot books. There was Bubble Guppies and Team Umi Zumi. The health and beauty section will start first with the new items for the cosmetics. So about a week or so ago, I showed you guys they had this Be Pure lip balm. It says compared to the Vaseline brand. It comes in 2 different little tubs. They also had the creamy caramel, and I found one more. This one is the cocoa butter. So there are 3 different packs in all. They have these Ardell Professional 3D Faux Mink lashes. Lots of different styles. They have the naked lashes, usually all natural. And then this one was called the Eco Lashes. They're sustainable fibers. We have some of these Sassy Chic makeup brush cleaner bowls. It has like the bumpy bottoms. You can fill it with water and soap and clean your brushes. They had the Must Have Beauty silicone lip scrubbers back in. And then for the hair care and hair accessories, they had quite a few of the Scunchie by Conair products in. You get the 60 pack of the all hair types bobby pins. They also had a bunch of their no damage elastics. And this is the 15 count pack. They have them in different colors for different hair colors. And then the thick haired claw clips come in the 2 pack, and the all hair mini clips, you get 6 of those in 2 different shades. For the pharmacy and personal care section, they brought back the Be Pure moisturizing hand sanitizers in the spray pumps. There's the watermelon and cucumber mint scent. I did not see the holders this time, but they do have a bunch of boxes of those. There are the coconut, tea tree, and vitamin E oil, all 100% natural. Then they had these Nads Eco Wax Strip Kits. You actually get 20 pieces in 3 different sizes, and I compared them to the price of the ones at Target. Now you do get 24 strips, and you actually get 12 of the large strips. I was thinking, oh, sure, you probably just get a bunch of the small ones, but no, they do have a lot of the larger sizes in the box. So for $1.50, that's a great buy because the 32 count pack at Target was $13.49. So then we have these 4 packs of soap. They also had these new facial masks. This one's fun. It looks like a sugar skull, and it's the facial masks that they have out. There's also the Real Peach Essence mask. They also have the oatmeal. And then we have some new hand sanitizer sprays. There is the citrus, ginger, there's pumpkin scented, and the sugar cookie scent. For the fun finds this week, these are usually found up closer to the register, but they did have some of their summer tea towels in. Kind of late for this season, but I thought I would throw those in this section because it was nice to find those. And then they had up close to the register a bunch of these poster sets. You get 30 of them. They're basically like the size of a poster or a postcard, and you get 30 of them. There's different sayings, different pictures that kind of go with a theme. Like this would be the travel theme, and you get the whole pack for $1.50. And actually the pack I got when I checked the receipt rang up $1.25. So I guess it just depends on what store you're at. I love this pack with all the different bows. This is actually the one that I purchased. You have a bunch of different bows, strawberries, and books. And then it has the like pink and blue theme, and it has like this real cute like weathered like vintage look on some of them. So that was the packet that I bought. I thought they'd make great frames and backdrops for like scrapbooking. Then there's this 30 count pack of the Good Vibes. I know kids really enjoy these for like dorm rooms and making a mural on their walls in their bedrooms and things. It's very popular at the moment. This one was cute. It had all the different like disco balls and things like that. Then this is the fun food. It has all the different like fruits. I love the popcorn and like the pineapple wearing the sunglasses. It's like really cute. I love the fun, bright summer colors that they have in this kit here. I tried to show a close-up of all the different packets and all the cards you get in them. And it's nice that they post the examples of what's in the packet. Then for the home decor, we've got a bunch of these framed stretch canvas pictures that are like candy shop related. This one has the twisted candy. They have the ice cream cone making everyday sweeter limited edition collection. All these different ice cream cones and different color schemes. They also have the lollipop with the swirl and the conversation hearts. They had this donut with the sprinkles and the checkerboard background, and the checkerboard background with the lightning bolt. These box frame kits, we've seen these before. Last summer, I remember seeing these. They say summer at the bottom with this wooden cutout. It has a sawtooth hanger on the back already attached. Then you've got that deeper frame, so it sits kind of like a shadow box. Or you can get the lemon one that says hello with that blue and yellow theme, which is really popular. They also had these mini glass vases in several different colors. It actually has the lid on top that you can screw on. But they did not have those sitting out. Also, the nautical items, I found some more of those things sitting out this week, along with the DIY items we saw last week. For the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, a bunch of different notebooks and journals with the front cover cut out, so it has like a 3D effect. And some of these hardbound books also have these fun glittery like textured covers. I tried to get a close-up. It almost looks like sugar over the top of the pages. It was really cool. They have a bunch of different sketchbooks. What I like about the sketchbooks is they actually have prompts on the front pages to kind of give you an idea of different things you could draw and different examples. And they had quite a few sets of those sketchbooks out. Then for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, organization, they had a bunch of these Home Bright laundry sheets. And it says it's 15 loads. It's 1 sheet per load. And it says it just dissolves in all water temps. It's a fresh scent. They also had the bleach tablets and the 20 count bottles. I love those. You can make like a whole gallon of bleach with like 1 tablet. Then for the kitchen and pantry section, they had the fun coffee mugs out. They had a whole bunch of these, and these were at every single store that I went to this week. So I was really surprised how many of these were actually out. Back to the nautical theme, they've got some of their dish sets out at the moment with the seashells. There are the dinner plates. They have coffee mugs, bowls, and salad plates. Then we've got that really pretty white and black pattern that they've had out over the last few years. These are all $1.50 each. They have the bowls, the plates, the coffee mugs, and all that you can imagine to go with those. The dish drying mats, they have these new sets out. We've got this few different tones of gray, kind of geometric pattern. It says kindness changes everything. They have the dish drying mat, the towels, the oven mitts, the mini mitts. They also have some that have the words on it and some that just have the pattern. So it's really just up to you if you want the wording on it or not. You can see they have the oven mitts and everything to go with that set. And then they have this Keep Life Simple. It's white, black, and gray. It has a bunch of different like mushrooms on it, which is kind of fun because I know those are also very popular at the moment. They have the towels, the dish drying mats. Again, you can get it with the words or without. It just really depends on what you choose to have. They have the oven mitts and everything with or without the words. So some people prefer it without the words. I myself prefer it without the wording. So that was nice that they have that option. You can also get that mini mitt in that version as well. Then for the party supplies, more of the nautical themed items, they have these wooden cutlery sets. You get 12 pieces, so it's 4 of each, and they have this gold imprint of the like sea stars and sand dollars on them. So that was kind of neat. They also have the plastic napkin rings in the 4-pack and these aloha cups in the silver and the gold. And you get quite a few tumblers in that. I believe those were $1.50 as well. For the seasonal items, they have these new water glasses and stemless wine glasses out with the pumpkins and the natural, the blue, and the light orange. They have the coffee mugs to match with the blue handles and some mason jars with the gold lids that say thankful. You can get the thankful oven mitt. The word thankful is in like this orange glitter, but I rubbed my hand across it. What was nice is it didn't seem to be flaking off. They have the hot pad holders and the dinner dishes. You can get the ones that say thankful or without. They have both versions. And you can get, of course, the dinner bowls. They have the salad plates and the water glasses. Then they have some with the fall leaves. They have the coffee cups to match. These are ones we've seen in years past with all the different fall leaves without any sayings, or you can get it with the word grateful. What's nice about these is they have different color backgrounds. So you have the dark burgundy with the leaves, or you can get the sage green. So they have, a little bit of a variety there. So this one has the grateful in the sage green color. The one with the burgundy background also has it in that color for the wording. And then they had the mini mitts as well, and the sage and the burgundy. They had some matching tablecloths. That one has the mushrooms on it and some new table runners with this very soft color scheme. Then these fun oven mitts with all the animals on it for fall. It matches that table runner with the sage green. They have some tea light like flour sack towels and these light up tumblers. Look how cute these are. It says life is better with friends, or you can get it without the words and the little button on the bottom. You can turn it on so it flashes the light. There's different speeds of light, so it doesn't have to do the flashing real quick. One of my favorite finds were these new coffee mugs they have out. They have a ghost, the jack-o'-lantern, and the Frankenstein. These are so fun because they stack. I love a stacking coffee mug. I thought these were worth every penny. I got one of each. Look how cute these are. They also have some fun Halloween items out. I love these new glitter hands that look like a zombie kind of coming up out of the ground. They have them in glitter purple. They also have this bright neon, kind of like a yellow-green color, or you can get it in this dark silver color. You can see it's like a full-size hand. It's actually bigger than my hand, and it's on a wire stem. For the toys and games, they had the toys now marked at $1.75. They have a sign up that says, unless it's otherwise marked, you can expect them to be $1.75. They had the Travel Mini Uno game. A new one they have out is also the Phase 10 Go. And they had the apples to apples. They put out a bunch of their Barbie furniture. They have all the different dollhouse furniture like the tub, the bed, the couch, and some chairs. Then I found these extra large chalk pencils. They had these out last year around Easter time, so I was surprised they put them out so late this year, but it holds the giant pieces of chalk. Then for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is $3 and up, they have more of these metal signs that are a tabletop decor. It says hello fall and welcome with the layered pumpkins and that aluminum feel style pumpkins. They also had these adorable little ceramic ghosts that some of them do light up. You can see the eyes of the like jack-o'-lantern buckets that they're carrying have the light up eyes. There's these 9-foot foam ball garland. They have those in the orange and black or the white and black. Also some of the LED lanterns for Halloween. They have different like spider webs and skulls and crossbones. The 4-foot inflatable stacked pumpkins, those are all now $7 instead of the $5 that they used to be. They have quite a few sets of the inflatables. They also have some new plushies, all these cute little animals. They have a tiger, a cheetah, and a zebra. And I believe these were $5 each. They did not have the price actually marked, but they did have those over in the plus section. And these are similar to like a Squishmallow style animal. They have the shark pillow. You can also get the dinosaur. And they have a unicorn. I found these Primark marker set. They are double-sided and they are fabric markers. You get 5 in this set. And that is all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave a comment down below. What was your favorite find this week at the Dollar Tree? Mine were the stacking coffee mugs. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Have a great week.